It's 4:20, I guess, a.m. I keep trying to tell myself that flights this early in the morning are a good thing because it tends to mean less delays, but my mind is not agreeing with my mouth that's telling me that.
Hey.
Yo, straight in.
Wasn't creepy at all. Alright, so we made it to the Iceland.
Yeah, it's just like remote. It's nice, it's quiet. It looks like the clouds feel like they're over you.
Yeah, I feel like I want to bite them.
It's like giant opportunity. You have it.
Oh, there's a rainbow. It's a good omen. It's a good sign of things to come, guys.
Okay, we're like entering Blue Lagoon. We contemplated whether or not we should bring this thing here. That's right, it's the vlog camera.
Yeah.
Because we got these bad boys.
Well.
Yeah. We need to test it before, but we don't need to test it.
With a tissue.
We just
30
know
minutes.
for 30 minutes. That's not gonna happen.
Also,
So-
not to be used in hot tubs.
Not to use in
We are
hot
going
tubs.
to geothermal
But
hot
this is a
springs.
hot spring. It's different.
I know this is like completely constructed for like tourist trap,
Yeah.
but it's freaking awesome.
Well, right now I'm filming you. It's like you're climbing a mountain.
Like, it's great. Is this the relaxation you've wanted this whole time? Because this was the #1 thing you were looking forward to coming here.
Yes, it is.
I don't know if I've seen her this happy in a while.
This is supposed to be the best hot dog in the world.
Well, I know it's supposed to be like a high quality sausage. They use 2 kinds of sauces, a mustard and brown sauce.
I didn't know any of
The
this.
brown sauce
Whoa,
is like
new
different.
info.
And then
And
they
then
use
2 types of
kinds
onions? Is that right?
onions.
Yeah.
The fresh chopped onions, which is what you're used to on an American hot dog. But also fried onions get sprinkled on top as well. All right, here we go, baby. Oh, you went straight in.
It's a very good hot dog. I don't know if it's the best. But I'm glad I had it.
The snap of the hot dog itself is nice.
They're really good.
Yeah, the crispy onions. We are all bundled up, ready to go to
Northern Lights light chasing hunt.
exactly. First, we're gonna stop and get some dinner, but then we're gonna go hunt some northern lights. It's arrived. That fish stew.
It's like if you take a home, take a bite out of home.
I just noticed.
It's really good.
I eat like a bucket of it.
Yeah.
We are off to go see the northern lights. Hopefully. Don't know if we're actually gonna get to see them, but just best of luck. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. So there's a little bit of the northern lights there. Boom. There's some more northern lights right there. Man, it's everywhere.
Is this the beginning of a movie trailer? You'd be like this. Whoa, that's aggressive.
I like that it was very obvious that it was your own hand going like